A comprehensive literature review lays the foundation for any good research paper by situating your work in the context of what is already known. Start by searching reputable databases like PubMed, Google Scholar, and Cochrane Library using well-thought-out keywords and Boolean operators to refine your search. Screen titles and abstracts to select relevant studies. Then read the full text critically to evaluate their methodologies, strengths, and limitations. Organize your references using citation management tools such as Zotero, EndNote, or Mendeley to save time and avoid errors. Instead of just summarizing previous research, analyze and synthesize findings to identify gaps your study will address. Regularly update your review as new research emerges, especially if your study spans a long period. A good literature review not only informs your research question, but also demonstrates your expertise and builds credibility with readers and reviewers.